Razor tool. Here, we're going to cut off the beginning of the video using the razor tool. First, drag the timeline marker to the closest point in the video clip which you would like to make a cut. Use the scroll bar at the bottom of the screen to zoom into the video timeline. Click on the little square at the end of the scroll bar and drag to the left. Use the step back and step forward buttons to get to the precise point of the video clip you would like to cut. Now select the razor tool. Line up the dotted razor tool line with the red line on the timeline. Left-click to make the cut. Click on the selection tool. Click on the clip you do not want to keep in the video. Press the delete button on the keyboard. Left-click on the empty space where the video used to be. Right-click on the space and then click Ripple Delete. Using the bottom scroll bar, zoom out again to see the changes you have made. Click the square and drag to the right. Or red edge drag crop. Here, we're going to crop the beginning off of the video clip. Hover your cursor over the edge of the clip you wish to crop down. You should notice a red line with an arrow pop up when you are hovering over the right spot. Once you find the red arrow, click and hold the left mouse button. Drag the red bar left or right, past the part of the clip you want to crop out. Let go of the left mouse button to complete the crop. If the crop is not quite right, hover over the edge of the clip again. Find the red arrow and click drag it to the desired place.